folks, it's Nessa on Infinitely Zero's channel, and today is June 4th. Just wanted to show you real quick a smaller yarn haul of some purchases I made at Joann's and Michaels recently, and my current projects that I've been working on. So I decided to work on this one to gift it to myself. I had shown the yarn in a previous unboxing. It's the Gothic Rainbow yarn from Rena's Threads and Crafts.com, and I'm doing the Wrapped in a Facade pattern from Bag O' Day Crochet. It's the pineapple one. It's really pretty. I really like how it's coming out, so I decided to make this for myself as a birthday present. It's the pineapple stitch. I'm not used to working with such thin yarn, so it's taking me a while. Yeah, I think it looks better like that when I can put it up against the contrast. But it does such nice like color transition, so I'm really excited to see how it turns out. And right now I can't remember. And I'm using an H5 millimeter crochet hook, my clover one. I finished my second square for the blanket crochet along with Tiffany Hansen's hosting. So this is the third square. So I'm working on that. It's kind of what the stitches look like, and I'm still using, this is the color parakeet, that herrschners Cheerful DK yarn, which is a DK way yarn, 100% anti-pill yarn, machine wash, lay flat to dry, 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, or 273 yards, or 250 meters. I got this shirt for myself on Amazon as a birthday present. And this here, I'm not going to show it into too much detail because it's the pattern that I've been testing, and I'm almost done with it. I just need to weave in the ends, add buttons, and add pockets. But that's a quick preview. Anyways, and I've been using the Joann's Big Twist Heather yarn, and that's the specs on it. 380 yards, 6 ounces, 347 meters, 170 grams. A category 4 weight yarn. Yeah, and this is the color beige. Machine wash, lay flat to dry. So now to show the yarn that I got. So I had a Michaels Rewards that was about to expire the day of. It was like I had $5 of the rewards, and then it turns out that they had 40% off, so I decided to buy 2 colors of, I haven't used it yet, but it's the Loops and Threads facet yarn. It's really nice and soft. This is the specs on it. It's a category 4 weight yarn, 100% acrylic. This colorway is called Juniper, and this colorway is called Autumn. And the specifications are the same, so it's really pretty. This one reminds me more of Halloween. And it is hand wash cold, do not bleach, dry, flat, do not iron. For some reason, I did not know that it was hand wash only. Whoops. And it's 279 yards each skein, or 3.5 ounces, or 256 meters, 100 grams. And they recommend a 6 millimeter J10 crochet hook, or a US 8 5 millimeter knitting needles. So yeah, so that's really nice. I may make a cardigan out of that if I bought enough. We'll see. And then the next thing I wanted to share, which is a tip and trick, so concerning like organizing yarn, I have a lot of my yarn in plastic bins that are clear so that I could see through the yarn. Sometimes I put them in regular totes, like the bigger totes, like the reusable bags that you buy. Other times I haven't really unboxed them yet and put it away because I've kind of run out of space. I also have an Amazon kind of cube thing that I bought, as well as like metal shelves to put the totes in. But the Amazon cube thing, it has little doors that you can close. And then I bought this recently, a pack of 3 and then a pack of 4 that was a little bigger for the plastic, these Afghan bags. I know I was getting them when I got the mystery, similar to this, the mystery bag or the Afghan kits. So they're great for projects too. These are a little bigger. I had sent the blanket that I did for Bago de Crochet for the animal auction. I sent my blanket in one of these. So I had some left over and I was like, you know what? This is a great way to organize and put my yarn away in, especially, and that's a dryer sheet down there because this has a very plasticky smell. And I go, this is a great way to put, you know, like if I bought certain yarn from one place, it's one type, it's just different colors, and I have, you know, certain projects in mind for it, I can put it all in the bag and I can see it. If I want to, and if I'm working on it later, I can also put the project in here as well. So I think that will work out great. A second one of these, which I didn't feel like going to get, to show you guys, I put in my recent herrschners hauls of all the Cheerful DK yarn with some of the baby Vine 2 sport weight yarn, and it all fit in there really nicely. So now if I'm looking for that yarn, it's all in one place. So yeah, so I want to make the Ophelia Talks her reading shawl, her Agatha Christie reading shawl. So I'm thinking of making it either in this green or in this green. This green is succulent, I believe. Yeah, succulent. And this one is the bubble tea. Let me double check and make sure. Yeah, bubble tea, which is that green. And this is the succulent, which is a little paler. And this one is actually a little stronger than it looks in video. And the specs on this, they're 100% acrylic yarn, 240 yards, 3.5 ounces, or 100 grams, 220 meters. It's a category 4 weight yarn. They recommend an eye crochet hook, or 5.5. Sorry, didn't mean to block my face. And the knitting needles are 4.5 millimeter knitting needles. Machine washable, low iron, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, and dry flat. So that's all those specs there. And that's kind of what they recommend, how many balls you need for those projects. But I think that might be a knit scarf and a knit sweater and a knit blanket. So I guess, or it depends what size blanket, right? They never say how big. Oh, okay, they say a 50 by 60 inch blanket, 10 skeins. I don't know if anybody's done that and they only use 10 skeins. Let me know in the comments below. I'd be curious. So yeah, so again, this is succulent. This is bubble tea. Some of the colors that I had gotten before, they didn't have anymore, so that was a little frustrating. This pretty color is sunset. After I ordered this, then I realized that I wanted the canyon one, but it was kind of late. I really liked this color, which is the glacial pool. It's a darker blue. And then there's a lighter blue, and this one I believe is prism. Yeah, and this color's prism. That's like the lighter blue, which looks really washed out, but it is like pastel, like a light blue with darker specks of blue and some specks of like orange. And it has like, they're washed sort of, but it has like a more like a I don't know how to describe that. And this has different shades of blue throughout, like light blue with dark blue and darker specks of navy. So yeah, so that's it. Yeah, I've been pretty busy celebrating my birthday and pretty tired, so I haven't really had chance to make some videos to catch up. Sorry, I've been wanting to make certain videos, but I just haven't had the chance to or the energy. And I've been busy crocheting too, so. Okay, that's everything. I did get my yarn in from Ophelia Talks that I had ordered with the gift certificate, which is the James C. Brett Beautiful Yarn. But I'm going to do a separate video on that, and I also wanted to show some of the amigurumi presents that my dad got me for my birthday present that I've been wanting to work on, and then he gifted me some extra ones there too. So those may be 2 separate videos or one together. I haven't decided yet. So, and yeah, and that's everything. So I hope you have a great night. And also, I had seen Bag O' Day's comment in a live stream, as well as her her mention in the community tab. So if you have a chance, please check out a friend of mine that's on the YouTube streets, Joseph, his channel. I'll put a link to that above. Never can remember which side the little eye icon is going to be. I think it's that side. For his channel is JT, believe Hook Moth Creations, and we're doing the hashtag Friendship Mini Hank. So Joseph, if you're watching this, I know he does support my channel and watches my videos. I ordered a hank from the Etsy shop called Potions and Pearls, a little mini hank. So that's going to be sent to you directly from the dyer from the shop. And it's at least the yarn that I've gotten from them that Michi had sent to me, which I had won from one of Michi's giveaways, was really nice. And pretty much the hashtag is just that some of us are sending little mini hanks for Joseph's project, where he's going to put them all on dowels and then hang that on a wall for display. So I was kind of wanting to send one that was more red or red orangish, but I couldn't find a mini hank that I liked in that color. So I just gave a few color options to the dyer and mentioned that to her, you know, of like different colors that I wanted to be sent for her to choose from. So so she mentioned the color and I said yes. So yeah, so it's a surprise, so I'm not telling you the color. So hopefully you like it. So okay folks, definitely check out his channel, and if you like the content on my channel, please click like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have already, thanks so much for watching and for being here, and yeah, and have a great day or night. Thanks. Bye.